All right, everybody, we are here at the collector's market. All right, so we've gotten here. It is pouring with rain during setup. It sucks, but we're getting it done. I've got a lot of mess. Let's take a look around. Okay, got my side. We've got Danny's side. So we're smashing it out. We've got some staff. There's a sick car over there. Yeah, just trying to get set up, done, and we'll see how we go.
2 hours later.
All right, everybody, we've done 75%. So we've got Danny's booth, Sailor Dolly Cosmetics. She's also doing handmade dresses, skirts, bags. Check this out. Look at that. Wow. All right, so we've got all the dresses here. We've got her bows. We've got her bags. Look at these handmade Pokémon. Wow. We've got all this makeup that she makes, all hand-drawn designs. Look at that. You guys gotta come check this out. And then this is my booth. 0 cards. We'll put those there in the morning. And then we've got plush all the way from Japan Pokemon centers, some older rarer pop vinyls, and we've even got some signed stuff as well. So yeah, check us out in a few minutes when it's the morning, and we'll have the rest of it set up.
The next day.
It's 10 o'clock. I'm still not set up properly, but I'm getting there. So they'll let people in early, I'm pretty sure. But we've done some good deals already, so here's to hoping we get some more deals done.
Do you guys have any Prismatic Evolution singles? Like Master Balls or anything like that?
If I did, bro, it's in the red folder.
Or it could be that one there, because I know that Airy is from Prismatic, eh? Oh, let's have a look.
I've just got it set with like Scarlet Violet, Vintage, X and Y.
Oh, this is really cool, because check that out. It's an itchy card. Here we go. Here we go. We've got some Master Balls and Pokeballs here. Do you mind if I lay it down here?
Yeah, bro, no, you're good.
Sweet as, thank you.
You picked up much already, bro? Or?
Oh, a little bit.
A little bit
here and there, a little bit here and there. Squad TCG. We're picking up this Master Ball Hippopotamus, yeah, for 20 bucks.
I don't even have to do it, he does it for me.
There you go. Making your job easier, bro. So, yeah.
Nah, I've been watching you, bro. I'm like, you know what, dude? I've been vending for ages.
True.
It's about time I jump on the socials.
What's your name,
as well. Fritz and the Famous Collector.
No, what's your name?
Oh, Sean, bro. Sorry.
Sean. Tom. Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yo, G. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that, bro.
No, you got it.
Check it out, man. Another vendor, Fritz and the Famous Collector.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. I shout out to Twisted Collects as well. My bad. Sorry, Dylan. All right. We're getting there. Didn't videotape it earlier because I hadn't set up the camera yet, but we picked up a of vending series. So it's going to go with my other of vending series. Sorry for the swearing. Hey, bro. Those ones there? I've only just set my camera up. Do you mind if I just do a little?
Yeah.
All right, guys. We made a deal. There we go. Thanks, bro. I honestly keep forgetting like any like big sale or like deal that I've done. I haven't put it on the camera today at all.
Good job.
Idiot.
One job.
Vendor day 1. It's 2-minute video.
Newbie.
Where's Dylan? Dylan, where are you?
Where are you?
Twisted Collects.
Slabs.
More slabs?
Yeah, like PSA slabs, or is that pretty much it? Can I have a look, or is that alright? You mind if I put that down?
Yeah, bro, you're all good, you're all good. Some are not Pokemon, some are. Yep. It's a lot of more of a... I just picked that up. So So
Just then, yep. Just looking for like modern 10s.
at the moment, all my 10s are out. I've sold a few already.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, right.
are you going to be at some other card shows?
This is my first one. I don't know which ones are good to come up.
So there's another one happening next weekend up in Brisbane.
Next weekend?
Yeah, on Sunday.
Yep.
And then there's more happening on in May.
Okay.
I've got a submission
Oh, okay.
that I've just done. So hopefully,
Hopefully.
I've actually got like 6 submissions going right now.
Yeah, yeah.
But hopefully the one I'm just doing, I'm going to pay express on.
Yep.
That'll come back. So
What's the one in May?
so Mitch,
here again,
Mitch who
or-
does the collector's market, he'll do a card show just for
Oh, yep. In the same place.
same place here, but
Yep.
just for cards.
Okay.
Then you've got Collect Fest,
Yep.
done by eBay up at Brisbane Convention Centre.
Oh, okay. That's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the guys that are doing the one next weekend on
Yeah.
up in Brisbane,
Yeah.
they're doing Australia's biggest one down at Sydney. If you want to go for a drive or a flight,
Oh, really?
it's called the Card Summit.
The card what?
The Card Summit.
The Card Summit.
Yeah. So they're trying to.
Biggest one in Australia.
They reckon.
Good. Thanks for that.
No worries, man.
Would you happen to have any Jolteon?
Jolteon.
Yes. Do you have the tin? The prismatic tin? Is that what that is? Sorry, no, it's a sealed case. I thought it was open.
Yeah. Sorry. No, it's a sealed case.
Thank you. I was literally just watching you guys' videos.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I saw you
awesome.
guys on TikTok.
Thank you. I've been doing this for ages, but like I finally was just like, I might as well like start, you know,
Exactly.
putting it out on video, you know. There might be a folder here somewhere with a few in it. I think it might be. I think it's going to be this one. We'll have probably some in there. I just don't know what ones are left. How's going?
Doing well, just having a good look-see.
What's catching your eye?
I've got a mate who's after dark and old school trainers. I know, right?
I think
thought if I see anything-
about 2 shows ago,
Yep.
I had all the Team Rocket vintage.
He would have burst.
Yeah, the whole, like a complete set. I even had a PSA 1 Raichu from the first hidden card. Oh, secret card, sorry.
I know that he just got that. Not in PSA, not graded.
Bro,
He got it
stuff
for-
like this is... How is it in RAW? Does it look good?
It's lightly played. The back has the slightest.
Okay. I was going to say, I just found out a 9 fetches about $500.
I mean, it would not get it because it's clearly lightly played.
That's like, I just sold this before.
What? I've never seen that before.
So all of these cards,
Yeah, I
they're,
was even just
they're
pointing out,
vending
like-
series. So only happen in Japan.
Yeah.
So
I was saying, like, that's a really cool canopy. I've never seen that
yeah.
before.
So it's also, I don't know if you can kind of tell, but they're all gloss.
Oh, okay. Have you ever seen a golem like that? The one just there? How crazy does that look? That's cool.
Yeah. Before I even opened up, I had a guy come over. He's just like, I'll take it. I'll come back later.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, these are sick. They're pretty hard to get. I'm gonna have a few come back great from grading as well.
Yeah.
So a Growlithe and a Chansey.
Yeah.
So and then like the other thing too, man, there's certain artworks that like they're very derpy.
Yep.
People love that if you know about it, because not a lot of people know about the vending series. My name is Dylan from Twisted Collects, and I've just made a sweet deal. Jokes. Dylan's better half is just making the deals, and he's just cashing in on it. It's ridiculous.
Balls are sweating.
Huh?
Balls are sweating.
Oh yeah, lovely. Lovely. Wait, it's not even recording. Oh my god, it is recording.
I've got sweaty balls.
Yeah, keep it in. Keep it in. Put it in the bloopers at the end of the video.
Do you have a Japanese holder at all?
Yes. Nope. Ah, here we go. I made it. There we go. Take a look at that one.
Thank you.
It's a nice binder too, right? So it's called the Stealth Binder. I didn't realize until I like bought it. I just bought it because it was purple, and then I got it, and I was like, "Yo, this thing's like nice." We're gonna open some packs. Dylan's not included.
I'm not allowed to be in it. This is rude. I taught him how to use the camera.
Yeah, I'm really bad at it, so. I don't even know how to like. You guys want?
Do you want it? Say thank you.
Thank you.
There you go, man.
Cheers, guys. Appreciate it.
Nothing. I just get one of the prismatic.
One of the prismatic? Absolutely.
You don't have any astral radiance, do you?
Did I?
I mean, there's none there, but I thought I'd ask.
I did.
You did?
I did. I've already got a few packs gone, so
That's rough. Okay.
just one of these.
Just one of those. Thank you.
I had Evolving Skies, all that kind of stuff.
Say again, sorry?
I had Evolving Skies and all that kind of, like,
Yeah.
really old packs.
Yeah.
Cosmic Eclipse. Yeah.
At the
yeah.
start of the day, and it's already gone.
There was only a few packets.
Okay. Yeah.
You guys having fun so far?
Yeah. Just starting, so it's gonna be an interesting day.
I did not get set up in time this morning. They let people in and I had this half done.
Oh,
No
shit.
packs in here. I was stressing.
Stress. You're like, no way. Cool. Thank you so much.
No worries. Have a good one. It turns out I can't open packs to the camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was actually dropping the cards.
You said you might be interested in this one.
Let me take a look. You know what you're chasing for it, bro? Trade, buy.
Probably just cash.
We picked up Deoxys.
Looks like just that one.
Just the one, bro?
Look what else. I think that might be it then.
That might be it. Just the one.
Yeah.
Alright, bro's coming to get the shoulder from the vending series. Good stuff. Clean. I made some deals before and I hadn't even pressed record. Card, bro?
Yeah.
There you go, dude. A lot of people come up to me today and they're like, what is all this stuff? And I was like,
Vending series. Let's go. Such a good set.
people have no idea.
Yeah, it's one of the best sets ever. Anyway, appreciate it, man. Have a
Nah,
good
you're good, bro. Alright, one of our customers came in earlier. They dropped off a absolute ton of EXs. We're going to just give them out to the kids for free. I've just given 2 out, but I wasn't recording, so.
I am hunting movie promo cards at the moment. Preferably 2000s.
I got the first movie.
Yeah.
I got 2 cards left.
Ooh. Dragonite.
That one's beat to hell, but
I've got that one at home graded. The Electabuzz, eh?
that one's not too bad.
Yeah, I got this one.
You got that one? Yeah, that Dragonite looked like it's been put underground.
Lightly played.
Lightly played.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yours, bro? Bro's picking up the Wobbuffet. There we go.
Thanks so much.
You know how many times I forget to do that? Just Fritz and the Famous. I'm new, bro. I'm new. But if you want to see more of me as well, there's also Twisted Collects. So we both will just be in each other's videos.
Thanks so much.
No worries, man.
Too many binders.
So many binders. Oh, do you still have the Gengar, or did you sell that?
I sold it. Literally like the first card somebody asked me that too.
Folder for sale, for free. Free giveaway, guys. We got
We're not even recording, where
money.
It's so funny.
Where's my phone? It's connected to me. Do the kids want one free card each.
Emerson? Say, what do you say? Yes, please.
Which one would you like? Yeah, you grab that one. You choose one.
That looks cool.
That one? That one? There we go.
Do you have a Mewtwo?
A Mewtwo.
Andy Newton.
I mean, look.
That is a really good one.
Oh, that's just
Yeah.
Thank you. And he wants a Mega Evolutions pack.
Mega Evolutions.
Can I please get a Prismatic Evolutions as well?
Yeah. On card. All right, there we go.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You don't have any of the Chinese cards, do you? We saw the Japanese ones, but
I might have some Chinese at the back, but it might also be mixed in with a little bit of Korean.
all right.
So just take a look.
She's Eevee obsessed, so it's.
So is my wife.
It's been my favorite Pokemon since I was like 3. Always my
So
favorite.
she's got leg tattoos of Eevees.
Oh wow.
She's doing the same thing. She's got a binder with every Eevee card she can try and get.
She can still hold them.
She can just take that Dolphia on the house.